Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange Headteacher Message Assembly on the 25th of January 2021. This is all about how we can be strong to live our best lives and make the world a great place to be. And we always say at Grange, it's all about your character strength, the strength that's inside who you are, and the strength that helps you to solve any problems you face in life. Anytime you've got a problem, anytime you have to make a choice, you say, which character strengths do I need to use and which one am I going to use? And we say all our character strengths, they are divided into 6 different headings, 6 virtues. Virtues are good things. Number 1, wisdom, think deeply. Number 2, courage. When you've got something that you need to do, you go ahead and you do it. Great action. Number 3, temperance. So you need to always find balance in life. You don't go too high, overexcited. You don't go too low, too cool. You need to find just the right balance. Number 4, we do everything with humanity, which is the best of our being a human being, our kindness. We do everything with real care and kindness. Kindness is strength. Number 5 is justice. We need to do things in a way that is right for everybody. We need to think about everybody and do the right thing for everybody. And then number 6 is transcendence, which means that you can always go to the higher level. So even sometimes you might be absolutely right and somebody might have done something wrong, but you can go to the higher level of transcendence and forgive them, for example. Or somebody's given you something that's really wonderful. You go to that higher level and you show them gratitude, and it just makes the world a better place. So those are the 6 virtues. And today we're looking at the virtue of justice, doing the right thing for everybody in the world. And a character strength in justice is fairness. Everybody should be treated the right way. Everybody. There shouldn't be a difference. Everybody deserves to be treated in the right way. And that's when you do that, when you treat everybody with equal consideration, that is called fairness. This is a person I came across last week. She is the national youth poet of the United States of America, and she wrote a poem and performed it at the inauguration, the start of President Joe Biden's new term in the United States of America this past week. And in her poem, she talks about fairness. And to really be fair in the world, we need to, you can see this right up at the top in the pink box, and it's the second, you can see the second stanza. She says, to compose a country committed to all cultures, colors, characters, and conditions of man. And I think if we look at the world like that, if we have a fair world, a world where everybody is treated with respect, no matter what culture you are, no matter what color you are, no matter what character you are, everybody is treated with fairness. And she says we need to put our differences aside, we need to reach out our arms and care about each other. And that's why I love reading. And this is actually for Key Stage 2, but I think I'm going to tell you in Key Stage 1 as well, so you can start and get ready for this. And the more you read, the more you can have adventures and understand the experiences of people who might be different to you. So that is why reading is such a huge adventure. Here's 3 powerful fairness commitments, 3 fairness actions we can do. So we can value diversity. We can say it's a wonderful thing that everybody is different because everybody has their strengths and together we can be stronger. We can celebrate the difference. Remember Odd Socks Day? We can say, I really find it amazing how you are and how I am. And it's different and that's wonderful. And we can be anti-racist. We don't accept that people are racist and judge people on the color of their skin or treat people differently because of that. We say no. Everybody deserves to be treated with fairness. So what problem does fairness solve? Well, it makes our world a better place because it becomes a fairer place for all of us. And that's the Grange CC way. Confident for ourselves and considerate for everybody else in the world. That's our philosophy for life at Grange. And that's what we say. Be great, be Grange. And I want you all to live your lives with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. On Classcharts, there's an award for fairness. So do your best to really act with fairness. Let's learn together.